guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wear test and also showing you guys how I applied these Kiss Halloween press-on nails. So I am going to be giving a wear test at the end, but first I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied these Kiss press-on nails, and I'm going to be showing you guys an up-closer look of the nails, and then we will be going into the review and my thoughts on these Kiss nails. So I did pick these up at Marshall's, and I have a couple YouTube shorts on the different Kiss press-on nails they had. I did go with these ones right here. Let's see if you guys can see. This is what they look like. They also do glow in the dark. So here's what the nails look like. Now we are going to go ahead and jump into me applying the nails and talking about what came with the press-on nails and everything like that. So these are the Kiss limited edition Halloween press-on nails, and like I said, I did find a lot of these Halloween limited edition press-on nails at Marshall's. I believe I only paid $3.99 or $5.99 for these nails. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be just applying these nails. So this is what the three, actually there's a ghost, spiderweb, pumpkins, and then the basic like gray ones. So there are a bunch of different nail layouts you could choose from these nails. So I'm just going to start opening the package now and then start laying out the nails to get ready to glue them on. So I'm just going to open the package, and like most press-on nails, it comes with all the same things. So you guys can see it comes with glue. It also comes with a file. And these actually also did come with the little press-on nail glue strips that you put on your nails. But I decided to just go ahead and use only the glue today. Definitely, if you would have used those little glue patches and the glue, the nails would have lasted a lot longer. But I really didn't want them to last that long since Halloween was coming up soon. I figured I would just use the glue. And the last time I used those little glue patches, my nails kind of got messed up pretty bad, and it was kind of nasty when they were coming off. So you guys can see the pumpkin, little pumpkin nails fit my pinky nail, and really that was the only option for the little pumpkin pinky. But the pumpkin ones only were for pinky size, so if that did not fit, then you had to use a gray one for your pinky. And then the spider web ones, there was only 2 of them, and it was for your pointer finger. Well, that's what it fit on me anyways. And then there was also only 2 ghosts, and I put those on my middle finger. And then I just filled in the other 2 fingers with that gray nail. And like these do glow in the dark. Actually, I didn't even realize they glowed in the dark when I was buying them, so that's kind of funny. And I honestly forgot until one night and I seen them glowing, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. But yeah, they glow in the dark, and they are definitely really Halloween-y. They got the spiderwebs, ghosts, and pumpkins on them. So I am just going to finish picking out what nails fit my real nails the best, and then I will start gluing them on. So as you guys can see, I already started gluing them on, and I started from my pinkies and started working my way towards my thumb from there, and it's just a lot easier to glue one pinky on and then glue the other pinky on and then switch to the next finger and just keep going like that all the way until you're down to your pointer finger and your thumb. It's just a lot easier to do that instead of going and gluing on one whole hand first and then trying to glue on the other hand with the press on nails on. This is just a lot easier. So I'm not really showing the whole process, and that's because I have tons of different videos where I really went in depth with how I apply the press-on nails to last the longest and everything like that. And I definitely will leave those linked down in the description if you guys are interested in seeing just how to apply the nails to last 2 weeks or sometimes even more. But I really wasn't trying to get these nails to last the full 2 weeks just because I knew Halloween was coming up. I did apply these on October 15th, and I knew that Halloween was coming up, and I kind of wanted to do another set of nails for Halloween, but I did not have time for that, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm just going to finish gluing these on, and I'm just trying to be careful to not use too much glue, but enough glue. If you don't use enough glue, the nails are not going to last either. But if you use too much, then you're going to have glue all over the place, and it's just going to be a mess. So yeah, and I will be right back and show you guys the finished product of what my nails look like. So here is what they look like, and I totally love them. I think it's perfect for Halloween. I think it looks I really like how the one with the spider web and the ghost are like a nude color. And then, yeah, I just think it's super cute, especially for Halloween. I love them. I love how it turned out. And I'm super excited to see how long they last. So I will update you guys in a little while and see how long they last. Alright guys, so I will insert the date I applied these nails on the screen, but this is what my nails are looking like so far. So on this hand, I still have all of the nails. And then on this hand, I have lost 2 nails. And actually, I just lost this nail when I was putting my camera into the tripod. So yeah, but I've only lost 2 nails so far. Probably in the next couple days, I'm going to go ahead and start taking them off. But this is what they look like. They are spider web, then there's a ghost and a pumpkin. And these also do glow in the dark. So I'm going to try to insert a clip here of them glowing in the dark. I'm not sure how good it's going to show on camera, but they definitely do glow in the dark. I've been seeing it for the last however many nights it's been, but they definitely do glow in the dark, and I was actually surprised that they glue so bright, because really only thing that glows is like the lines on the spider web, and then the ghosts, there's lines on this nail that glow, and then the stars glow on this hand. So I'm going to insert a clip. I'm not sure how good it's going to show up on camera. Yeah, this is what they look like. I've only lost 2 nails, so actually they've lasted a pretty good, decent amount of time. You definitely can see where they have started to grow out. But like I said, probably in the next couple days, I'm going to go ahead and remove them because Halloween is this Sunday. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and remove them and move on to my next press-on nails I'm going to try. But overall, I'm really happy with them, and they did last a decent amount of time. So that is all I have for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. And I'll see you guys in my next video.